the Xiaomi Pad 7 Ultra has just hit the spotlight, and its impressive specifications are turning heads. With a striking 14-inch OLED display boasting a 2K resolution of 3200 to 136 pixels, everything from streaming movies to playing games is redefined. Imagine sinking into your favorite film, surrounded by vibrant colors and deep contrast that only OLED can provide. The display promises stunning visuals that make every detail pop, leaving viewers captivated. At the heart of the Xiaomi Pad 7 Ultra lies its self-developed X-Ring 01 3nm SoC. This advanced chipset ensures an incredibly responsive experience whether you're multitasking or utilizing demanding applications. Picture seamless transitions between apps with no lag to interrupt your workflow. Its optimized processing power sets the stage for an intuitive yet powerful device that caters to both productivity and entertainment needs. One of the standout features of this tablet is its impressive 12,000 mAh battery capacity. Imagine using your tablet all day without the constant worry of recharging. This monumental battery not only supports extensive usage for long travels, but also enhances your viewing experience, allowing for binge-watching sessions or gaming marathons. It's designed for those who refuse to be tethered by a power outlet. Photography enthusiasts will also be thrilled with the Xiaomi Pad 7 Ultra's 50-megapixel main rear camera, capturing stunning images that rival dedicated cameras, making this tablet a great companion for social media creators and travelers alike. Whether you're snapping quick pictures or capturing scenic landscapes, this powerful camera will ensure that your memories are vivid and full of life. The notch-style display adds a modern touch, pushing design boundaries by ensuring more screen space for your activities. Imagine engaging with your favorite apps, games, or video calls, all while enjoying uninterrupted views. The sleek design paired with cutting-edge technology positions the Xiaomi Pad 7 Ultra as a premium option in the tablet market. Scheduled for launch on May 22nd in China, excitement is already building. With innovative features promising an unparalleled user experience, the Xiaomi Pad 7 Ultra aims to set a new standard in the world of tablets. Get ready to explore a new generation of tech that blends art and performance seamlessly. Yeah, that is it. Let me know your thought in the comment, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Yes, I will catch you on the next.